Joining me right now is Suyog from Redis. So Suyog, I'd like to know from you, what are the common challenges that customers face with their current data platform provider?
Okay. See, most of the enterprise customers who are using traditional databases, which are disk-based relational databases, the main three challenges are basically performance, unstructured data multi-modeling capabilities, and third thing is, database deployments across the multiple regions, right? So performance where the relational databases can't scale and they have certain challenges in terms of multi-modeling, right? So imagine if you want to build a recommendation engine, fraud detections, real-time fast payment, this has a limitation in terms of how the relational databases has been built, right? And last thing is the way replication across multiple data centers. Definitely there is a problem and the limitations come with the relational databases. Yeah.
Interesting. And how does Redis solve the need for a real-time data platform?
Okay. So you can see the our customer base here on the booth. So most of these enterprise customers, has challenges with the performance, right? And that's where the Redis is built. So Redis is a proven for serving millions of operation per second with sub-millisecond latency, and that's really important for the serving the real-time experience. So that is the first is performance. Take an example like where the relational databases take seconds to serve the data response time versus Redis is solving those problems with sub-millisecond latency, right? The second problem is basically we talked about multi-modeling capability. Redis has a search capabilities, streaming capabilities, event-driven architectures. It has a document store kind of things. This allows to solve different kind of problems with these different models, right? And the last thing is Redis, especially the regulatory, right, where you need at least 2-3 regions of deployment. So Redis is giving out-of-box solutions for active-active or active-passive kind of a deployment across multiple data centers at a simple with taking care of replication as well as config resolution. So I think these are the common things where most of our enterprise customers are using Redis. Yeah.
Interesting. My final question to you, what do you feel about this initiative by ETCIO?
This is an absolutely awesome event. I think this is my first time event I'm joining at ETCIO. But first thing, I really like networking with most of the CXO and trying to understand what kind of challenges they are solving, the need of real-time database. And I was so happy that they're already using Redis in most of the use cases. And there is a lot of interactions are happening. So networking, connecting to a lot of good folks, trying to understand different use cases and the need for Redis. I think this is really awesome and you guys are really doing a good job. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.